You have spoken to her?
Yeah.
She
You have
was in.
spoken to her? You have spoken to you?
Yes.
Yeah, she's already there.
Already outside.
She's outside, could just call her.
No, I see.
Just call her. He did her. She's good. Just like that. That a counsel for the party states that they have interacted with the petitioner, Ayushi Upadhyay and Siddharth Kaushik, and the respondent Siddharth Kaushik, who accepted and admit their signatures on the settlement agreement and have affirmed that they would abide by the terms of the settlement. Next paragraph. You're giving a demand
Yeah,
draft of
yeah, my lord.
demand draft
Hand over to
rupees
Francis, can I-
15 lakhs.
Shall I hand over?
And all the belongings are already handed over to her.
Has been handed over by the counsel appearing for the respondent Siddharth Kaushik to the counsel for the petitioner Aishu Upadhyay, which has been accepted by the counsel for the petitioner. The belongings in terms of annexure
Yeah.
A.
A,
A,
mediation
the settlement agreement, have been returned to the petitioner Aishu Upadhyay in the mediation center of the Supreme Court of India. Next paragraph. In view of the settlement agreement, we are inclined to exercise our power under Article 142 of the Constitution of India and hereby quash the following cases, stroke proceedings 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
4 and 5 for me. 5 and 6.
And 6 as well. We also pass a degree of divorce resolving the marriage between the petitioner Aishu Upadhyay and the respondent Siddharth Kaushik by mutual consent. Full stop. The parties will be bound by the said degree. The transfer petition and all pending proceedings are dismissed.
Obliged. Deeply obliged.
She's not coming.
She's
called-
inside the courtroom and hand over to.
Just call her. Does she have some reservations or anything?
No.
Stuck outside. Your lordship, she will be there after.
What do you mean stuck outside? She doesn't have a pass or what?
पास बनवाया कहाँ है?
Your lordship,
You didn't-
please just pass over. I will appear too.
We'll present her but shortly.
Just ask her we won't sign the order till she comes and appears and gives
My
her
lord.
consent to the court master.
Fine. Obliged.
You can hand over the demand draft. You want to keep it?
Am I handing over?
Actually, this is a transfer filed by the wife, my lord, seeking the transfer from Lucknow to Delhi.
My lord, it's
It's a petition under section 9, which has been filed by the husband, my lord, after 7 months of the petition which was filed by us, a counterblast petition.
It's a 33 years of marriage. So I wanted to give her a chance. So may refer to mediation if, is there any possibility?
Then it comes for the party frankly state that may be referred to the Supreme Court Mediation Center to explore possibility of settlement. Follow the template order, parties to appear before the mediator nominated by the coordinator of the Supreme Court Mediation Center on 22nd of January 2025, list before the court in the week commencing 1st of April 2025.
Macho.
Honorable Ravi Kumar, let me read it. Soft in demeanor, sure in speech, frail in walk, firm in views, acumen sharp, attentions deep, gentle look but questioning eyes, far from overbearing, mind so open, thoughts all clear, hiding no riders, equal treatment with lines none drawn. This is how I would portray Justice Ravi Kumar. How one wishes he had stayed more long on the bench and graced the court with judgments galore. Wish you, sir, remain in great health and continue part in some way or other with law in some good measure, though many would wish you great rest.
I think you captured, the poem captures his personality completely. He's one person I've never seen him raise his voice. So gentle yet firm. So important for a judge at times.
That's true.
Yes.
I concur, my lord. I have penned many poetries. By signing the learned ages poetries at the end, I concur. That's the only way I can write poetry, my lord. Lord, my lord, my lord's retirement would definitely bring, my lord, a feeling of grief. For more than one reasons, my lord, your lordship's intellect, your lordship's legal acumen, impartiality, Lord, everything is being discussed and will be discussed in the evening. But there are two striking features of your lordship's personality, my lord, which have personally affected me, my lord. One, my lord's is simplicity personified. Your lordships have never carried the weight of being the highest, the judge of the highest court of the country, my lords. Your lordships remained humane. And second, your lordships never remained a God-fearing man, but your lordships always remained God-loving person. Lord, I know, my lord, because of certain interactions which I have, that Lord Ayyappa has constantly showered his blessings upon your lordships, my lord. And as my lord, the Chief Justice, my lord, said, we have never, my lord, felt your lordships getting angry, rising the voice, or, my lord, in any manner, my lord, making us uncomfortable. My lord, I wish your lordships a very good health and very good, my lord, next inning, my lord, whichever your lordship chooses. Now your lordships have the time to spend with your lordship's grandchild, my lord, and it's still a right time, my lord, to spend. Lord, I joined the learned attorney, my lord.
See, Justice Ravi Kumar belongs to God's own country, but he's God's own man. He's
No
that
doubt
way.
about it, Malas. I endorse,
So aptly put, my lord.
I endorse everything that the attorney has said and everything that the solicitor has said. So we'll talk about this much more in the evening. But there are two things which are common between the two of us. One is your love for cricket, and two is your love for nature. Just as you watch nature every day for half an hour, so do I. Because I learn every day from nature itself. Animals never kill. An animal never kills another animal unless he's hungry. But men are not like that. Human beings are not like that. Even when they are not hungry, they kill. We have to learn from nature, and I do that every day. That's one thing in common with you. Two is cricket, because I think millions of people in our country love cricket. So do you, so do I. But you play so well when you're there across the bar, always with a straight bat. You never bore a googly. That's what you are. Simple, unassuming, thoughtful, loving, hearing everybody. It's been a pleasure to be in your court. No rancor. I mean, these are the kind of judges that the bar loves.
And this love will remain with us for a long, long time. We'll really miss you. We'll miss the kind of judge that you are. Thank you very much for being who you are. And God bless you. And we hope that you have a wonderful journey hereafter. There's lots more to be done. And I'm sure that you will do it, and the best of luck to you. Thank you.
Chief Justice, the Lord says you had put, he's from God's own country, but God's own man. Because he charted his own destiny, and his life history will show how he has risen to this post. And as learned friends had said, extreme courteousness to everybody across the bar. That is what my Lord brought to this school. And the hard work and the discipline that you brought. And we all know that you've been a sportsman. So the first innings was spectacular. The second innings promises to be better. May I wish you on behalf of the entire committee the best of health and happiness, Manoj. Thank you.
Well, Justice Ravi Kumar has been with us for little over 3 years. Has won our hearts always, be it on this side and knowing everybody who's spoken from the bench, be it from the other side. This is persona. Yesterday I had said that he's perhaps a humane and a noble soul that gets reflected in whatever he does. Whatever way he acts, whether he's as a human being or as a judge. A very gentle but was very firm also. That apart, his love for cricket, nature, is quite amazing. He has always outperformed there as well. Belonging to and coming from a village is sometimes very difficult to imagine. We people have grown up in towns and cities. We had best of facilities. But for a person to come up from rural background and make it on his own, it's a huge achievement to become a judge of the Supreme Court of India, the highest court in the country. And then perform so well, leave behind a judicial legacy for all of us. And let's hope we have more judges, but we are going to certainly miss him. We wish him all the best. He's going to stay back in Delhi. That's what he's promised. So we'll have him around, all of us, and we'll miss him on the bench, certainly.
Thank you to all. And I should say that even after elevation, that feeling, and again, the fact that I was an advocate, and that advocate remained in me, that is why I always respect the bar, because I ultimately belong to that there. And again, you said that I'm a lover of cricket, and somebody wished a good innings, a second innings. Traditionally, the Indian cricket, they used to bat well in the second innings, and I think that I can also do that. Thank you very much.